Accessory. Today we will see unboxing regarding the media mode. I just buy yesterday this media mode for my GoPro Hero 9. How to fix out and which types of product they are providing me. We will see detailed demonstration as an unboxing. Especially on this product, advantage comes here in water resistance. Directional mic is available, 3.5mm mic port is available, HDMI out port and USB-C type port is available. Using such kind of port, you can very easily recharge and transfer your data from your laptop like a Mac or Windows or a laptop. So we will see detailed demonstration. So let's start unboxing. So let's see, simply unbox device. Perfect. Now let's see inside the box. Box is empty. This is a magic booklet. Using this booklet you can learn how to use and how to fix out this device. So inside the box, the one GoPro stand, the fix out scroll, and here the air filter. This is our device, and that's it. It's finished. Now look at this. This is device, and here spatially. So look at this here. You can put it here, mic, C port cable and HDMI. So entire fix out. No need to here, just only one socket is available like a C port. Using the C port you just charge and put it the mic, but using this one, that one is quite amazing. And especially quality is also good, so we can fix out here. Okay, this is very fixed, comfortable, so you can very easily remove also. The power button. So we'll fix out first of all. Open. Now very easily fix out. So here is my Hero 9 GoPro. Now I will fix out here. So simply open it here, and then this is a C port here available. You just fix out like this. Perfect. So look at this, the GoPro. You can remove this one as usual. And here especially one of the advantage, you can very easily fix out here mic, and here another mic, or you can put it here like a simply mic or any other task like battery or light. So such kind of facilities are there, you can very easily fix out. And here if you are fix out here mic, the top of the screen like this, you can fix your mic and fix here, and then record very easily. And then you can on as usual. Normally you can very easily on this device and then record if you are doing a little bit bigger, but quite good. Here power cable is on. If you are pressing this and just simply shut down. If you are pressing this one, so power is off. It's very easy and compact, not so big, not so small, and it's interesting for this mic. If you are subscriber on my YouTube channel, so upcoming videos I will record using this mic, and we will see really helpful or not. This is a very simple unboxing and installation process of media mode. If you really like this video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming tech and unboxing related videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.